Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Meenakshi Innovative Ideas. In this video, I'll show you how to make more words with one word. Let's get into the video. It is also a vocabulary activity. Through this word, children can make more words by using these letters. What is the word?
Neighbor.
Spell it.
Neighbor. Neighbor.
How many letters in this word?
9.
Can you make another word from using these letters?
As teacher.
Write down. What is that?
Go.
Good. Write another word by using these 9 letters, okay? Write down.
Our.
Very good. Go.
Three. Spelling.
What is the word?
Run. R-U-N. Run.
Good. What is the word? Spelling. Good. Spelling.
R-I-N-E. Boring.
Good. What is that?
Hero.
Spelling?
H-E-R.
What is the word?
B-O-N-E.
Ah.
Bone.
Good. What is the word?
One.
Say again.
H-E-N-N.
What?
H-E-N-N.
Go. What is the word?
One.
Read again.
B-U-N. Bun.
Good. Which word are you writing? Write down.
I-R-O-N. Iron.
Good. Good. What is that? What is the word? Spelling please. Good.
N-E. Gone.
ఏంటి?
B-O-R-N, born.
బార్న్. వెరీ గుడ్. What is the word?
R-I-N, in.
Good. What is the word?
On. O-N, on.
Good.